I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
Hello, tea lovers. In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious cup of tea using milk powder, an easy and convenient method. This guide is perfect for when fresh milk isn't available. We will cover everything from gathering your simple ingredients to enjoying your warm beverage. You will need just a few basic items, and the process takes only a few minutes. Let's get started on brewing your perfect cup. Now let's prepare our milk base. Take about 2 tablespoons of milk powder and place it into your saucepan. Add a small splash of warm water, perhaps 2 or 3 tablespoons, and stir it vigorously. You want to create a smooth, thick paste without any lumps. Once smooth, slowly incorporate another 1/4 cup of water, stirring until you have a thin, consistent milk solution. This ensures a creamy texture for your tea. With our milk solution ready, it's time to brew the tea. In a separate pot, bring about 1 cup of fresh water to a rolling boil. Once boiling, add your preferred tea, whether it's 1 tea bag or 1 teaspoon of loose tea leaves. Let it simmer gently for 2 to 3 minutes. This steeping time allows the tea to release its full flavor and aroma, creating a robust base for your milky brew. Finally, let's bring it all together. Carefully pour your freshly brewed tea into the saucepan containing the milk solution. Stir everything thoroughly to ensure the tea and milk are perfectly combined. Now is the time to sweeten your tea to your liking. Typically, 1 to 2 teaspoons of sugar works well. Give it one last stir, pour it into your favorite mug, and enjoy your warm, comforting cup of milk powder tea. Cheers!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.